Hey guys, thanks for jumping here back in my YouTube channel again. What we are seeing now is really crazy, and so I decided to make this video to cover the big movement that we are having currently for the altcoins and especially Ethereum for the last couple of hours. So let's jump into this one. Okay, in order to analyze the momentum and the movement of the altcoins, we need to have an idea about the Bitcoin dominance. As we can see here, the Bitcoin has been lately outperforming the alts, shown by this chart, throughout Q3 as well as Q4 of 2020, representing more than 73% at some point of the whole crypto market cap. I mean, when buying Ethereum, Link, ADA, and so on, all of these altcoins, we want them to outperform Bitcoin and not the other way around. If they don't do so, then there is no point for buying them. While the safest bet, which is definitely Bitcoin, manages to perform way better. Always remember that it's nice to see the value of your alts increasing against USD, but we want them to beat Bitcoin. So let's start by the Bitcoin dominance chart. As shown here in the daily, we didn't manage to break through the resistance at 73.5%, and also we had a cross to the downside. Let me show it to you guys. As you can see here in the daily, we had a cross yesterday night. The moving average here confirming the downward pressure as well as the rejection that we got here, leading to a small move of 8%. This small move is of a magnitude of 8%. Let me take it better. As you can see, almost 8%. This exactly was a kind of wake-up call to the altcoins. I'm definitely not saying that the alt season is here yet. There are definitely more signs that we usually see that haven't appeared yet, but I also can't deny that the movement we had and we are still having is kind of significant. Yeah, is significant and can lead to a potential decrease of the dominance of the Bitcoin and perhaps an alt season. So I drew for you guys these two important support lines that you must pay attention to in your trades. First one being at 65% and the is at 56%. So if we manage to keep going down, I expect if we manage so, if the downward pressure continues, then we will see a movement like this. Here we bounce back here, and then we definitely will check this second support line. Okay, so to make things a bit clearer for you, let's have a look at the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart, and this is because historically speaking, Ethereum tends to be the leading coin in the alt season. When Ethereum starts outperforming Bitcoin and going crazily up, the altcoins tend to go crazy too. If Ethereum is having an amazing momentum, then the alts would definitely follow him, and we have seen it multiple times. We also know from the charts that December and January tend to be super bullish for Ethereum, and we are in January now. As you can see here, let me give you a look at it. If you take it here from December to January to February, yeah, January, February, and also December tend to be bullish. We had it here in 2018. We also had it here basically in each cycle. Here we had it a bit late, and now we are at almost the exact same period of time frame. Yeah, here it is. I'm not saying that this bullish trend that we are having now must continue to the upside by any means, but historically speaking, this is what tends to happen. In the past 2 years, we can see that Ethereum got destroyed by Bitcoin. It has been going down the hill between these two white lines drawn here with a negative 86%. Let me make it clearer for you guys. Let's draw it. As you can see, we went up, down between these two lines. We kept going down, sideways between these two lines a bit, then down again, then up, down, and it went down a bit. We went super low, went more than I think 80%. Let's have a better look. if you take it from here, that's 87%, yeah, 87 to 86%. So Ethereum went from being more than a tenth of one Bitcoin here, is more than a tenth of one Bitcoin, to barely representing 1.7 from the price of Bitcoin, which means that at some point in 2019 you would have needed over 58 Ethereum to have one Bitcoin, while at our peak in 2017, 8 Ethereum were more or less equal to one Bitcoin. But as I said, Ethereum tends to be doing great in these periods of time, in December, January, February also, and this may help alts to push a bit against Bitcoin, which will increase their value against USD. I mean, we still have a strong resistance level at this exact level. I drew this two resistance lines. It looks like we are getting a bit rejected from the first one if we go in the, but it's not confirmed yet. And if we go to the 1 hour time frame, yeah, it's not confirmed yet, but we got pushed down a bit, and then we are still going up. Yeah, it's not a big of a deal. This is not a big of a deal, honestly. Here I drew two important resistance line here. The first one is at 0.033 and the second one is at almost 0.04. If we manage to break the first resistance here, if we manage to break this, then we'll probably go straight up to this one as we did here. We'll definitely go super fast to the second one. We are still a bit far from the second resistance, but it's super important because listen to this. If Bitcoin stays at its current range between 32 and $33,500 per Bitcoin, while Ethereum keeps pumping up insanely as it's doing now, then we will definitely reach our previous all-time high here in this level, at this exact same level. And if we do go above it and break through, even though it may take us some time and some sideways movement like it happened with Bitcoin when it reached 19k for the second time, if we go above it, which is insanely, I believe that the alt season is truly here, and that it will help us confirm it. And Ethereum will definitely move, because after the this support level, we don't have any other support level for Ethereum. So that was about it, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel to help me with the YouTube's algorithm, and leave a comment down below if you got any questions or things you want me to cover. And bye bye.